Tilting at windmills. Understanding an idiomatic expression. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to dive into an intriguing phrase, tilting at windmills. This expression has a rich history and a unique meaning that can add flair to your English conversations. Let's unravel its mystery together. Our journey begins with the origins of tilting at windmills. This phrase comes from the classic novel, Don Quixote, by Miguel de Cervantes. In the book, the main character, Don Quixote, attacks windmills, mistakenly believing they are giants. The term tilting, in this context, means to joust or fight. Thus, tilting at windmills describes an act of fighting imaginary enemies or battling illusions. In modern English, when someone says they are tilting at windmills, they mean they are engaging in a pointless or futile activity. It's used to describe situations where someone is fighting a problem that doesn't exist or focusing their efforts on a task that is impossible to win or solve. It's a metaphor for misguided efforts or wasted energy. To better understand how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. Trying to change his mind is like tilting at windmills. He never listens. 2. The new regulations seem to be another case of the government tilting at windmills. 3. She spent years tilting at windmills, trying to revive a long-forgotten tradition. Notice how in each example, the phrase adds a layer of meaning, suggesting an effort spent in vain. It's important to use this phrase appropriately. It is best suited for formal or literary contexts and might be confusing in everyday casual conversation. Also, be mindful not to offend someone by suggesting their efforts are futile unless that is clearly your intention. Thank you for joining us in exploring the phrase, tilting at windmills. We hope this video has been enlightening and adds a new expression to your English vocabulary. Remember, language is an adventure, and every phrase has a story. Keep learning, and see you in our next video.